mentioned, Sinjin and Mela, Claire Castillo has answered this call and is stepping up for the team today. And looking back, she wasn't initially part of the starting lineup of the Lady Warriors this season. And so now that she is one of the starters, Claire told me she really is making the most out of it, especially since this...
Pilit ng mga bagay.
You know how many aces Castillo already has? 6 aces.
Wow.
In this game. And kanina, you know, itong si Allison reporting on how much she wanted to play for a spot here in the UAAP. I mean, ang ganda ng potential niya. As we see, Bakake also unleashing her potential. Step up nung time na itong si Dongallo was slowed down.
And now the trouble here for FEU is Dongallo is alive. 1-point game, FEU leads. That serve coming from Truz. On the other side, they go up to Cassie. Ubaldo going up to Bakake again, tipping this over off the hands of the blockers. Kept alive there. Madriaga going to Dongallo off speed. On the other side, Ubaldo going to Bakake for the third try this time that gets through.
During the first set, pinalitan siya nito Kosora. The same way itong si Dongallo was also not producing her usual. And so she can attack from all
anywhere.
sides. So parang mas less travel time for her.
Ubaldo going up to Bakake down the line. To have a lot of heroics here in this fourth set, especially. She serves straight to Dongallo. They go up to Cassie. Popped up there by Ubaldo. Tagaod will pop this one up. Petalio will adjust. Madriaga goes up to Dongallo. Denied by Bakake.
Okay. 6 here in the fourth set.
Castillo down the line, read well by Encarnacion. Bakake will try again, this time down the line, and that checks in. However, Reyes is claiming this is out.
As well of the spikers from the other side.
Setup goes to Bakake. Bakake gets that one through.
Dongallo signaling to Coach Obet na sumasakit na yung kamay niya. Earlier, nag-block niya nung si Jean Assis. Nasaktan yung kamay niya dun sa single block ngayon. This time, despite a Bakake attack,